Back to Stamkos again. 5 power play goals for the Lightning and their 3 wins. Hedman shot, knocked out in front. Campbell down. Oh, that is back to Steven Stamkos who shot it wide. Hedman again. Fired, rebound. Shot wide by Perry. Lightning doing everything but make it 2-0. Kucherov centers off a skate. Victor Hedman down low. Finds Kucherov again. Stamkos right on. Rebound in front. Andre Castro will clear. And the penalty's done.
The fans tell the story there, don't they? Campbell with his best sequence of Game 7. There are key moments in every game, but in a Game 7, it's even a greater impact. And here's Campbell with all kinds of traffic in front. Brody gets the stick before Stamkos can put it in the empty net.